Hey, how you doing? I may sound a little nasally today because I'm all stuffed up. Sort of coming down with the cold. I'm fighting it. Taking the echinacea, vitamin C, vitamin D. Hopefully, I can beat this thing, nip it in the bud, as it were. But anyways, here we go. We are doing well in our trades. 4 out of 5 going our way. As you can see, this one isn't quite. It's a little negative. We did have one, the franc yen stopped out, so that one did not quite work out according to plan, but can't win them all. Today we are going to just look at the euro yen. So why don't we just set that up? Euro yen, and let's see what is happening with that. And open up our chart here. Okay, I had to pause there, but we are back. So here we are with the euro yen chart 1 week. Um, Pulled out a fair bit. Let's get our big wave one going here. I think it's pretty clear we've got this recent uptrend, kind of that going on. And that would be the general vector of this uptrend. So let's do the usual. 3 pixels, go to the yellow for wave 1, okay, and duplicate. You can see here, again, the first internal support line, and, oh, doesn't quite match up there anywhere. How about here? Kinda does, kinda does. Close, but I still think we have a clear wave channel going up here. Well, we haven't completed anything. Sort of hit here, bounced. It may keep going. Okay, we've got this. Actually, I would be more inclined. You've got the big zigzag. To set that right there. Yeah, because that was a point here. Then we got the zigzag going through. Equidistance below and above, generally. As zigzag here on that same internal support line. And well, that's kind of all we got going on here. We could, we'll put one there. We've got that kind of resistance there, support here. Okay, that looks like a pretty decent wave 1. Wave 2 will be this movement here. So let's go to the day chart. See if we can, chart that here a little more closely. Okay. Here is wave 2. Coming up like that. We will make that dark blue and 3 pixels. Okay. Duplicate that. It's not really too convincing, is it? No, we don't have any clear trend. Let's try to rethink this. That looks a little more better, yeah? Yes, for sure. This is the actual trend. Okay, we got that. There's a little breakout there. Probably an anomaly more than anything, but let's put a potential resistance line there, or support line rather. It's broken out up top, so where would another outer line be? We don't know. Maybe it's right there. And what is our wave 3? Well, it's this downward movement here. Which may or may not be an actual wave line at all. Again, I'm suffering a little bit from a cold. I'm kind of congested and frogs in the throat and all that good stuff. So my apologies for that. 3 pixels, and that's going to be turquoise. There we go. Okay. So what do we have? Yeah, kind of that line. Let's go right through the middle of it. Yeah, right in there. So it's probably going to come right down, hit her up there, and maybe bounce up, and move across to either this line or this line. That would appear to be it. It could go below, and we could conceivably have our exterior wave 3 here. Let's be a little more conservative about it there. So, all right, we've got a cell going on here. Horizontal line. Our target will be somewhere about here, let's say. Yeah. And that will be 2 pixels and a nice green color, like so. Okay, and our stop line will be horizontal line just about here. Zoom out a bit. Oops. Can't really get it to be where I want it to be. Well, we'll just leave it right there. Maybe go a little higher on that when I enter it. And that is, of course, red for stop. Okay. So, once again, terrible risk-reward ratio on this one. A little bit of gain, huge downside there. This would actually be a non-trade. Once more, you would just track this and set it aside. But for fun, we will take this trade. I mean, it could probably come down to here. But again, we'll play it safe. If we're going to sell, we just count on this movement, which also lines up with this low point here. So, and we've had this huge uptrend. So we're definitely looking for a big correction on this large movement there. Okay, sell the euro yen. Let's bring that back in. Euro yen, market sell 2,000. And at our take profit where time again for the reading glasses, folks. My apologies. As I look in, 154.72, 154.72, and our stop loss would be one. Now I need to move my little light here. 164.50. 164.5. Okay. Sell 2,000. Yep. Looks like that's the move. Okay. Confirm. And okay on that. Okay. That's it. It's rated 0. Euro Jap. Yeah. Okay. Like once again, we're going positive on all these and negative on that one. We'll keep tracking these tomorrow and update you there. Okay, that's it. Have a good night. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget, like and subscribe, please, and thank you. All right, have a good night.